Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's called What Would You Make? And that's hosted by OK at Home DIY. Now the co-hostesses for this collaboration is Connie Creative and 6 kids and a glue gun. So normally we ask that you full watch the video, subscribe to everyone's channel, and then head on over to the playlist so that you can see what everybody creates with wood. So jumping into the video, I am going to be using these wood cutouts. One is a truck and then the other one is a camper. So we're going to go ahead and decorate this with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. What I'm doing here is staining the wood, and I'm using the burnt umber paint from Apple Barrel and diluting it in some water, giving this a stained look. And so I'm going to be doing this to both pieces. Okay, now in my stash, I had these stir sticks and they come 3 in a pack in Walmart for 97 cents. So I'm staining one of these so that I can glue down the camper and the truck. Now I brought out the red and the pink from Apple Barrel, and we're going to go ahead and start coloring both the truck and the camper. So we're almost done coloring both these two pieces, and now we're going to get ready to glue them down to that stir stick. I've been trying out this little tube of cement that's over by the Fix All adhesive, and I'm really liking it when I'm using it on wood products. I think it works absolutely great. So we're going to start putting dabs of that cement adhesive, and then we're going to go back and use some hot glue for an instant stick. Remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive of any kind, you should be in a well-ventilated area, and then you should allow 24 to 48 hours for that glue to clear so that you don't have any accidents. So here I decided to use some loose gems to cover up that little hole that shows at the very top of the camper and the truck. Isn't that cute? Now the Dollar Tree carries this really nice burlap-like ribbon that would be great as a hanger for this wall decor piece. And that's what I'm going to be gluing down right here. So we're done with project number 1. Let's move on to project number 2. So in the Dollar Tree, I purchased this cute little wood cutout. It's shaped like a wreath, and in the center says love. So we're going to be decorating this. So as you can see, I started painting this wreath with a pink cameo paint by Apple Barrel, and I got that at Walmart. So once I got that paint on there really good, I decided to sprinkle some glitter around the rose part, and then the love part will have a different color glitter. It's gonna look really nice. Now, because it had a really nice feminine dainty look about it, I decided to use a strip of bling wrap to go ahead and make that the hanger. And that's what I'm doing here. I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. I hope you think so too. Let's move on to the next project. So a little while back, the Dollar Tree was carrying these cute little window panes, and it has like a little message in the center. I pulled that off, and we're going to be giving this a coat of black paint, and then we're going to embellish it with that heart that you just saw me show you. So let's jump into it. I do want to take a moment and thank the host and all the co-hostesses for this collaboration. Here I'm applying the Mod Podge on pretty thick on this heart because we're going to be using some champagne glitter. Now remember that you have to let this fully dry and then go back in and seal in that glitter so you don't have any fallout. Okay, look how beautiful that came out. So now it's time to glue that down and get ready for the reveal. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.